Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do dot leaders. It's really easy and super simple. So I've just got some text here, and we're going to use it to create dot leaders. We're going to go through it about 4 times to make sure you really got it. Alright, so I want to send right here where this is, I want this part right here to go all the way over. So you might think at first, well, I'll just press tab. Well, look and see what happens when you get over here and you can't push it all here, and it's not necessarily lined up against your margin, because see, there's a difference here. This is your margin, the right margin, and you see there's a difference. But when you use dot leaders, and I'm just going to backspace that, when you use a dot leader, it's going to go all the way over to the end of the margin. Alright, so to do a dot leader, you're in the home ribbon right here. You're going to go to paragraph. You're going to click on this little arrow. You're going to, all of this should stay the same. You're going to click on tabs. The tab stop position is 6.5, and it's not an arbitrary number I just come up with. It is right here, because the right margin is 6.5 on the page. So I'm just going to type in 6.5. Alignment, this is where we want it to go on the page. We want it to go all the way over to the right. So we select right. I've selected none because I don't want any of these little dots. 2 is if you want to have all the little teeny tiny dots like in a table of contents. 3 is if you want to have dashes. And 4 is an underscore dash. In this instance, I don't want to have any. So I'm going to click set, and then you see 6.5 appears here. It's highlighted, and you click OK. Okay, so now I press tab, and it goes all the way over, and now you can see clearly that the last letter of fun is right on the margin. Okay, so we'll do it again, and this time we're going to do it with the dots. So you go to paragraph. You click on tabs again. Tab stop position is 6.5. We want it to go to the right. And let's say this time we want to have the dots like in a table of contents. So you'll click set, and see the other 6.5 appears, letting you know that, okay, I get it, I see it, we're good. Click OK, and you press tab. This one you use for table of contents, which is pretty easy. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one of each just so you know what it looks like. Okay, so for here, I won't use them to go all the way over. So you down click the arrow, go to tabs. Tab stop position is 6.5. You want it to go to the right, and your default tab stops should always be 0.5. We're going to choose 3, the dash, just so you can see what it looks like. Choose set and OK, and then off we go. And if you notice, these are the dots that are at the bottom of the letters. These are the dashes right in the middle of where a letter would be. Sorry, I had a typo there. Here, table of contents, I want this to go all the way over. So I'm going to go to paragraph. I'm going to go to tabs again. Tab stop position is 6.5. It's going to go to the right. And this time I'm going to choose the underscore dash, just so you will see what it looks like, and click OK. So that would be a straight line. So that sums up dot leaders. They're pretty easy. Typically, you'll have your information in there, and then you'll format it with the dot leader. I hope this helps. Have a good day.